sleeping, still sleeping on you. You look baddest in your crew, now you look baddest. I don't see how you fit that ass up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is China J. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about starting over in our 30s. I damn near lost everything. Literally. I damn near lost everything. I lost my mom, I lost my sister, and I just stopped doing hair, lost my business. Everything just happened within 5 years. I lost everything in 5 years. What I'm gonna do my skincare while I talk to y'all about how I lost everything. This is what I love to use. I love this Medicube. As y'all can tell, it's almost gone. I need to order some more, but that's gonna be on our monthly. This is gonna be our monthly maintenance. So when we go do our monthly restock, y'all will see that in the video. But okay, so yeah, so you know, okay, so in 2022, life took a big ass turn. I lost my mom, and she left behind my brothers and sisters. And I had to take full custody of them. In 2023, I lost my sister, and she left behind 4 kids. 6 months, 2, 4, and 6. I still was the rich auntie sister with no kids. In 2025, I had a freaking baby. Yes, I had my own child, my first child at 35. So now y'all know my age. But yeah, I had a child at 35 and life just been a rocky boat. And here it is, 2026, and I'm just regaining myself. And I understand that I'm not gonna be able to be the same person I used to be because now life is different. But I'm gonna make sure that I have that discipline again, that self-confidence again, that motivation again, because I just been pointing to everybody else and not pointing to me. I just been worried about the kids, their future, and everything that comes behind that grieving. I haven't even thought about my business, but gladly I sat down, had a break, and now I'm actually working on 2 businesses. My hair company and the other one is a surprise. Y'all will see that later. I know y'all gonna see me keep doing these, but I like my stuff to be thick and lather. But yeah, as I'm doing my skincare, I'm gonna walk y'all. I'm just gonna skincare and talk with y'all right now. This vlog is gonna be mainly about introducing myself and just telling y'all what I have planned this month. So this month I wrote down everything that I need to accomplish this month since it's May. I got back in school so I can finish doing what I need to do with this investment that I had planned before everything happened. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'll be back to chat. Okay, let's finish the skincare. So I love how it's sitting on my skin once it's dry or whatever. Okay. So please don't, skincare police, please leave me alone. I'm gonna wipe the soap off my face. I'm sorry. Something about throwing soap on water on my face and that just don't work for me. Okay, so let's talk about my goals for this month. And it's actually gonna be a 90-day run because I'm doing 90 days of rebuilding myself. I should say 90 days of reinventing myself is what it is. I'm doing 90 days of reinventing myself, and I'm gonna give y'all my goals. This is what I use for my pore pads, and yeah. In my notes, let's see. I'm gonna give y'all all the stuff that's required. You see that? It says changing in 90 days. We want the phase 1, which is week 1. And that's just getting everything a set ground of what we need to do. First thing we're going to do is declutter. I bought a whole Amazon new room. Yes, I bought all my stuff from Amazon. Argue with your mama in the comments. Don't argue with me because I'm not going to argue back and forth. Clean my office space. I want to clean my desk. And of course my house stay clean because I have kids. I'm not letting that shit pile up. That's one thing that's non-negotiable. My house has to get cleaned every night. I always used to think my mom was crazy for cleaning up every day. But you have to clean up every day when you got kids. Oh my God. If you're a woman like me, you know cleaning that car is like, you and your kids treat the car like a trap. Okay, so for my social media, I want to declutter it. I don't know if I'm undecided if I want to declutter or do I want to start a new space. I don't know yet. I haven't decided that yet. I will know by the end of the week and I'll go from there. I'm going to use chat. Yes. I'm gonna use chat for 90-day prompts, and I'm gonna journal every day. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna put in ChatGPT. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put in 90 prompts for self-elevation or self-evaluation, and I write on that topic every day. Also, I want to find a new wardrobe. The way I've been dressing been cool or whatever, but before I was dressing, way before I decided to change my wardrobe, I had another wardrobe, and it just wasn't. It's getting 21, 22. And like I said, I'm a lady in my 30s. I can't be dressing like that. I want to be around certain type of people, be in certain type of areas and feel comfortable. Also, attract a different type of man. But this is not just for a man. It's just for me to feel better. And we're going to get into the dating pool in another vlog, because this is not the type of vlog for that. But we're going to get into that. Also, I need to find somebody that treats hyperpigmentation really good. I'm thinking about getting electrolysis, because of course I have PCOS, so the facial hair is crazy. But I make sure I maintain it, so I'm cool. I just need to find me electrolysis so I can go ahead and finish treating my face. I also get microneedling, which changed my fucking life. I'm not gonna lie. You see how glowy the skin is? Haven't put no hyaluronic acid, no nothing on there. So anyway, we still on phase 1. We have to find a new wardrobe. We're gonna make a 90-day vision board, which we're gonna do Monday on our Monday reset. And then monthly maintenance. That is let me put this down. Monthly maintenance is very important, and the type of monthly maintenance I'm gonna do is gonna be very different. It might look pricey, but it's not. What we're gonna do is on the week that we have free, that's when we're gonna do our hair, our nails, our toes, wax. We're gonna go to the spa, get a massage, and I'm most likely gonna do that out of town when I don't have my kids, so I can wake up, I can go out of town, fly, wake up, get everything maintenance, and then take myself out to eat for brunch or dinner, and then enjoy myself, and then come back home, reset, start over, and back in mommy mode. So the monthly maintenance is going to be very important, so make sure y'all follow them too. I'm going to post them. This month, I'm thinking about for Mother's Day, I'm thinking about going to Fort Lauderdale. I haven't decided, either Fort Lauderdale or Chicago. Haven't decided yet. We're leaning more towards Fort Lauderdale because it's a little cheaper. Y'all can see I have my 75 part right there. We're going to lock in for real. I'm dead ass for real. Ooh, that part won't get dirty. You see what I'm saying? Like, how does this look like this and I wash my face? Like, literally, look at this. And I wash my face. Into phase 2, which is the rebuild. I'm giving up wigs. But yeah, I'm giving up wigs. Mainly because I want to start leaning towards my natural hair and getting it trained. No, I'm not going to do the big chop. I'm not ready for that. I'm not that grown. No, I'm not going to do the big chop. No, I'm not going to worry about natural hair. But what I am going to do is start doing tape-ins, clip-ins, and natural sew-ins. Period. Natural quick wigs. Anything with my hair left out, my edges breathing. Because I finally got my color from my lace. Almost the same color as my face. If you wear wigs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The next thing, we're going to work out 5 times a week. I'm looking for my moisturizer. Hold on, let me go get my moisturizer. Okay, we're back. Moisturizer. I don't know if y'all can see that. We're gonna work out 5 times a week. What's non-negotiable with the workout, we're gonna walk every day for 45 minutes at least. So we're really aiming for an hour, but we're gonna do 45 minutes. We're gonna start off with 45 minutes. And then Pilates, we're going to do that 2 times a week. And we're going to work out 3 times a week at home. Because I haven't gotten to the gym membership yet. I was thinking about doing Planet Fitness just to start off or whatever. But I don't know if I want to pay for Class Pass and Planet Fitness. I don't know. Depending on how I feel, we might do both. But I know I'm going to work out 5 times a week. As far as education, I want to keep my brain moving. And as I told y'all, I'm investing in something new. I need to move in some more of this. Like I said, I like to keep my brain moving, so I'm investing in something, and I have to have a certificate to open what I need to open. So I enrolled in Georgia Piedmont Technical College because I'm just getting a certificate, and it's cheaper, and I need it for my next investment. So we're going to keep that brain moving, find you some type of curriculum. I'm just giving y'all tips because if y'all on this journey with me, I just want to give y'all other side things that y'all can do besides what I'm doing, because you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but we going on this journey together. So find like a different language, a new course to take. I don't care if it's bartending. Keep your brain moving, because that's why, remember, we're in our 30s. We're not trying to get dementia. Stuff like that. The stuff that we do in our earlier years reflects on how our older body operate. So if you keep your brain moving, you don't have to worry about memory loss. See where I'm going with it? Yeah. Okay, I already found the book, which is Atomic Habits. I'm going to read that in the next 30 days. Hopefully I can get through with it in 30 days, but if not, cool. But my goal is to read 20 pages a day. Go on one self-vacation every month, maintenance with dates. I already talked about that. Phase 3 is going to be our reward system, where every 2 weeks we go buy ourselves something for accomplishing everything that we said we was going to do. That's going to be our reward system, and we just going to lock in. And I decided to do a 90-day run because I feel like in 90 days you can change and be a new person. So my goal is give y'all an update every week. I don't know if it's going to be on Monday or Friday. I was thinking leaning towards Monday because that'll give me Monday through Sunday to do everything and y'all can see it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and come back to watch this journey. Thank y'all for watching my intro video of rebuilding myself after I lost everything in 5 years. I'll be back next week.